Nigeria will become the manufacturing hub for electric vehicle batteries in Africa, as the country is gearing up to manufacture solar technologies to serve the Africa continent. This statement was made by President Tinubu during a meeting with Abdullahi Sule, governor of Nasarawa State, Ayonwe, chairman of Avatar New Energy Materials Company Limited, and Chenwa Pei, chairman of Canmax Technologies in Abuja, following the inauguration of the lithium processing plant in Lafia, Nasarawa. The president highlighted it as a positive sign of Nigeria's appeal to foreign investors, while adding that the Chinese firms to prioritize environmental protection, community engagement, and corporate social responsibility initiatives as the integral part of their operations. Avatar, a Chinese firm, built the lithium processing plant, which produces about 4,000 metric tons daily, while Canmax Technologies, another Chinese firm responsible for over 30% of global battery material production, announced a new investment of $200 million for another lithium processing plant in Nasarawa State.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.